The best way to think of that is a two-part test, that a crime has probably been committed and that evidence of that crime will probably be found in the location where they want to search.
Attorney Jesse O'Neill, formerly a senior assistant attorney general, says once probable cause is met, investigators can search anywhere the evidence they're looking for could be found. Yesterday, members of the cold case unit in major crimes scoured a home on Ayers Road in Newport for hours. Sources tell us the search was connected to the Connecticut River Valley killings that took place in the 1970s and 80s. But investigators have been tight-lipped about what cold case they're looking into. O'Neill says there's a fine line between keeping the public informed and protecting the integrity of an investigation.
Let's say whatever murder they're investigating, whatever murder the search warrant is tied to, if the perpetrator is still out there and if the perpetrator gets wind, the perpetrator is going to know better than anybody else whether or not there could be something relevant at the locations that are being searched.
O'Neill says there are a handful of challenges that come with investigating a case that was formerly cold. Important witnesses may have moved or died, and physical evidence can degrade over time. And with high-profile cases comes immense public interest.
These private citizens who want to be involved, their hearts are often in the right place, but they could unknowingly and unwittingly really compromise an investigation if things are done improperly.
And we just received a statement from the Attorney General's office that says, in part, while the searches themselves were visible to the public, it is also important to recognize that yesterday's effort was the direct result of several years of follow-up investigation and analysis by investigators. Investigators will analyze the relevancy and probative nature of any evidence that was seized. They're also asking people not to speculate and to respect the privacy of those living in that area. In the studio, Hannah Cotter, WMUR News 9.